Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2016, day 2 of the ISE 2016 show here in Amsterdam, joined by Rob Kosman. Rob Kosman is the manager of global events and applications for Bose.
Thank you. Yes, I am.
Welcome. Well, I should say welcome to me, and you're in your stand here. I'm excited. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take you on a tour. For those of you who didn't get a chance to come to ISE 2016, I want you to give them a feel for what it would have been like to come to your stand. So we're starting here at the loudspeakers, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So the goal of our stand this year was to do 3 things. One, talk about who we are as an organization, Bose Professional, talk about our products, and also talk about the technologies inside of our products as well. So we're here at the loudspeaker wall, which focuses on all of our installed loudspeakers. And then we have a number of displays which talk about the technologies inside the loudspeakers from a transducer perspective.
Yeah, and what is the differentiating factor in your loudspeakers over everyone else's? Because Bose has obviously got, a brand that everyone recognizes.
Yeah, well, what we've tried to do is we've tried to focus on the applications where people use the products and then develop loudspeakers which meet those applications. Whether it's a highly reverberant space like a church or perhaps a performance space like an auditorium. So we look at what's required for the venue and then develop a product that meets those needs.
So instead of having a one-size-fits-all speaker, you have speakers for every single application.
Exactly.
All right. Well, let's move on over here and check out your line array.
So this is our room match system, what we call a progressive directivity array. And what we've done is we've tried to highlight that inside the product here using the LED strips that show how with each module, the directivity horizontal and vertical pattern changes across the length of the array to apply the right coverage to the room.
And do the LED strips come with it?
Well, we might make it an option.
So yeah, the idea is obviously for someone who's coming to your stand to see you're using the LED only to show the directional path of the sound.
Exactly.
And what is the inside of one?
Exactly. So what we've done is we've created a plexiglass top to one of the modules and then a cutaway of one of the bass cabinets inside. And the modules are available in a variety of both horizontal and vertical patterns, and then those are shown on the outside, the patterns that you can actually purchase.
Excellent. So where are we heading next?
Why don't we head right around the corner and take a look at our amplifier offerings.
So so a lot of people don't even realize or didn't realize that Bose had a professional line. I think everyone knows Bose for the noise canceling headsets, no offense.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've actually been in the pro business for a little over 40 years, doing both loudspeakers and electronics. Recently, we've really started to expand and grow our amplifier line. Currently, we have 2 ranges, our free space products, which are more focused at commercial applications, whether it's just a zone amplifier or a mixer amplifier. And then we also have our Power Match series, which is more focused at what we call engineered or installed sound applications.
So free space over here is commercial, and power space Power Match is, again, what?
More towards theater, auditorium, performing arts, those types of venues.
Okay, got you.
These also offer a variety of control options and Dante integration for this line of amplifiers.
Okay, good. So it does have Dante network integration.
Yeah, actually we all of our DSP and amplifier products for those markets offer Dante.
And I want everyone to see that they're serving coffee and everything here as well. So we're sort of in the middle of your little kitchenette area, but we're going to make our way over here all the way to the other side. Okay.
So over here we have the F1, a product that we introduced last year at Music Messe. So it's one of our newest portable products, and it has a unique technology that we call the flexible array that allows you to have 4 different coverage patterns. So tell you what, why don't we switch positions and I'll show you how it works. So right now the product is in the C position. So I'm going to move it back. So this is how it normally comes. And if you were in an application where the product was being used like this and we had an audience out in front of us, we want to project the sound forward, the straight position is perfect. If you were up on a stage and you had some people down below, just like a larger touring line array where they kind of do that little J shape, you just push it in and it changes the shape of the coverage. And there's sensors inside that actually change the EQ so that the sound you hear in the audience is the same regardless of position. So it not only does the J you could imagine if I was maybe on a gymnasium floor firing up into the stands, I can do a reverse J, and now that gives me more coverage to the top, or the widest coverage pattern, which is the C, which gives me the widest vertical coverage.
Yeah, and how long is this? This has been shipping for about a year?
Yep, so we introduced it at Music Messe last year, started shipping at the end of the summer, and it's been fantastic. Well received by the market, and particularly by bands and DJs.
Very creative. So can we head around to the last?
One more thing on this one.
Okay.
We're actually, this week at the show, we're introducing a passive version, as well as a variety of installation options for the product, either suspended or wall mounted.
Excellent. All right. And let's head on over here. Now, I want to remind all the viewers that we are actually shooting individual videos on each one of these products, so you don't actually have to know the tech specs right now, because we're actually going to shoot individual videos. And all you have to do is go to the upper left-hand corner of the page you're looking at now and type in Bose in the upper left-hand corner, and all the videos we shot here at ISE 2016 will be available for anybody.
Yeah, it's awesome. So this section, we're actually starting to tell the story of who we are as an organization and as a company, and why.
And I had these 901s, by the way.
Did you? Awesome. Well, thank you. We're trying to tell people about who we are, what we do, and why we do it. So we've created 3 displays that talk about Bose. On this left-hand side talks about our early days, the founding of the organization, some of the consumer products that we've worked on, as well as our automotive products. The middle display actually talks about the history of Bose Professional. We started when people were using 901s as main PA, and then that gave us the idea that, well, wait a minute, there's a market for portable PA, and then the rest is history, so to speak. And then on the right side, we actually, Bose Corporation is really a research organization, and we pursue research in a variety of areas. And often you'll find us in places that are very unexpected, whether it's an automotive suspension system, which became a automotive truck seat to reduce fatigue for drivers, or something new that we started talking about this week, which is actually cookware and an inductive cooktop that it stays cool to the touch.
I need that.
I think we all do.
I'm tired of burning myself. All right, so let's head on over here, and here you have your integration wall, I would call it.
Yeah, so this is, for us, Dante's become a very big part of our product category, and what we're trying to focus on is how you can use Dante, our digital signal processors, amplifiers, and control to implement a solution. So what this is talking about is our Control Space Designer software, where we're introducing a new version here at the show, which features our new automatic mic mixer. It also talks about our DSP products, which are seen here with the silver faces, and the networkability of all of these products for both control and audio. And then on the far right, we have our Control Space remote software, where we're actually introducing a new version of that this week at the show as well. And it's actually available now on our website. And the nice thing is that it allows you to control a system as well as Dante routing from a Mac, a PC, Android, or iPod device.
And so, for someone to come through your entire booth, they need to spend an hour, right? Because you want them to understand everything. Yep. So you're going to need to spend a little bit of time watching the videos that we shot on each one of these product stations, and we're going to do that today. So just search Bose in the video search window. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do an interview with one of your executives. I'm not sure who yet.
With Fuad Koro, our Director of Marketing, Sales and Marketing.
That's perfect. And what we're going to do there is we're going to kind of get an overview of the Bose philosophy in the commercial market, which is what I'm really interested in.
Yeah, fantastic.
Well, thank you very much for doing this. I appreciate it.
Great.
Well designed and well done and well delivered.
Awesome. Thank you, Gary.
Appreciate it. Keep watching. I appreciate you watching this. But again, type in Bose in the video search window and you can see all the videos we shot today.